Okay, so let's go through then these last exercises. So for your last exercise, the big wrap up, the big finish here for Flexbox, I'd like you to finish up this particular web page, and I'd like you to add one final section to this particular website. So I am inside of the GitHub files. I'm inside of VS Code. We're looking at chapter number 7. And I am going to go through the screenshots of what it is you're going to be doing here. So starting with the desktop, this is what your web page is going to wind up looking like. So right now you've got the hero image. We put that in place. We have our featured print that we added as well. What you are going to add is the popular prints section of this. And that is right there in between the mission and the featured print. So that is the part of the web page that you're going to add. And as you see here on desktop, that is 3 images next to each other, and the color needs to stretch all the way to the edges of the page. We've talked about how to do that earlier today. Then we're going to go to the tablet here. And let me just zoom in on the popular prints part of this. I want you to do this crazy thing right here in the middle under popular prints. So when we go to popular prints and we go to a tablet dimension, that last image normally would wrap onto the next line. You'd have 2 on the top and 1 underneath, and then a big gaping hole. So instead, I'd like you to use Flexbox to make that final image here on tablet dimensions stretch all the way across the width of the screen. So you get 2 on top and a big one on the bottom. And then finally, of course, when we go to mobile, these will just stretch set right on top of each other. Okay? A lot of the code is already there inside of your inside of the web page that we've been coding all day. So a lot of the stuff like the figures and the styling, the borders and so forth, a lot of that's already there. But you're going to have to write some additional code to make these pictures do the crazy things that I want you to do here.